Hi, welcome to Bit, the world's most powerful document collaboration platform. Bit documents are modern and interactive, allowing you to add just about any type of digital content to your document. In this video, we'll show you how you can easily add box files into your Bit documents. Go to the Box platform and click on the All Files tab on the left sidebar. Locate and hover over the file you want to embed. Click on the Share button. Once you click on the Share button, a pop-up will display. Switch on the button next to Create Shared Link. You can change the link settings and click on Copy. Now, head over to Bit.ai and open up a Bit document. Click on a blank line and paste the box URL. You'll see that Bit automatically renders the file inside of your Bit document. Bit has rich embed integrations with over 100+ different applications. To learn more about our other integrations, watch our other videos. Bit.ai, the world's most powerful document collaboration platform.